This is a really interesting shot. So the reason I selected this clip is because, I want to add unique looking angles in my video so that the video really stands out. It has a circle shot and we both are dancing in the video. The angle looks really amazing. I like to add hyperlapses and time lapses in my videos just to add different kind of shots. For example, now look at these two shots. They both are circle. I took these shots top down and I took these shots in the circle, but they're not going with the flow. So for that, what I did is I reversed the speed. Once I did, now these both shots are matching together. So it adds to the story. So always think about these things too. It's important that you should be open to the ideas when you're traveling. For example, I'll share one experience with you. We already spent 1 week in Kashmir and we were just on the way. I got the idea that I had such an amazing experience, such an amazing time in Kashmir, and I wanted to say thank you to Kashmir. And I knew that I'm going to use these words in the Kashmir films.
Thank you, Kashmir.
So I say those words at that time. It came out so naturally. To make your videos visually interesting, one of the ways is that you shoot and combine different angles of the same shot. For example, look at these two shots. I'm doing snow biking here and I took this shot on GoPro and the another shot is taken on, and when we combine these two shots, it will add to the story and they will look visually appealing. Like look at the another example. Look at these two shots. So this is the drone shot of the car and then I'm talking in the car. So when you combine these two shots, it makes it fun, it adds to the flow. Sometimes what you can do is you can try and combine different shots which have similarity. For example, look at these three shots. They all have been shot at the same location, but in all three clips, we are doing different activity. So you can also try to find these kind of clips, in which you are doing similar activity and you can combine these. So take inspiration from what I have explained you and try to recreate the shots in your own way.